Hello students, we will understand textual exercise of chapter 3 and friends. Question B. Tick the correct answer. Tony went to the garden. 3 options are given. Because he was hungry, to spend some time there, in the evening. Tony garden में क्यों गया? As you know, Tony was alone. So, he went to the garden to spend some time there. That's why option B is correct. Tick the option B. Second, Tony watched the ants marching up and down. टोनी ने एंट्स को ऊपर नीचे जाते हुए कहाँ देखा? लकड़ी के बड़े टुकड़े पर, द टीन बकेट, टीन की बकेट पर, ओवर द ड्राई लीव्स या फिर सूखे पत्तों पर. तो कहाँ देखा था टोनी ने एंट्स को? द लॉग. द लॉग इज द करेक्ट आंसर. The ants were playing with each other, sleeping, carrying heavy things in their mouths. Ants क्या कर रही थी? एक दूसरे के साथ खेल रही थी, स्लीपिंग मतलब सो रही थी, या फिर अपने मुंह में भारी चीज लेकर जा रही थी. क्या कर रही थी एंट्स? Carrying heavy things in their mouths. Grammar. Read these sentences. Tony played with a bundle of sticks and an old tin bucket. He saw an old broken log in a corner of the garden. A and an are used to show one person, place, animal or thing. When we talk about only one person, then we use a or an before the noun. We use an before words that begin with the sound a, e, I, o or u. See students, a, e, I, o, u. These are the vowel sounds. These 5 are vowels. In English alphabet, there are 5 vowels and 21 consonants. So, जब भी कोई नाउन वॉवल से स्टार्ट होता है तो उसके आगे हम एन लिखते हैं, और जो नाउन कंसोनेंट से स्टार्ट होता है उसके आगे हम ए लिखते हैं. We use a before words that begin with the other letters of the alphabet. These are the letters: a pen, a zebra, a house. See question A. Look at the clues. Ask and answer these questions with your friend. First is, what does Payal have for breakfast? Its answer is egg. But you have to write in this way. Payal has an egg for breakfast. What does Jaya have for breakfast? In bracket, one noun is given, that is sandwich. Jaya has a sandwich for breakfast. See students, sandwich. First letter of this word is S. S is vowel or consonant? It's a consonant. That's why we use A before this noun. A sandwich. What does Rohi have for breakfast? Ruhi has an orange for breakfast? Orange. Orange का फर्स्ट लेटर क्या है? O. O means vowel. इसीलिए हमने यहाँ an लिया है. An orange. What does Varun have for breakfast? Varun has a biscuit for breakfast. Biscuit. First letter क्या है? B. B is a consonant. So, you have to write a biscuit. Circle the correct word in each sentence. Some sentences are given and you have to circle the proper word. This is not a ant or an ant. Here an is correct. I have a colorful pencil. Pencil. P is consonant. That's why we have to circle the letter A. Is this a or an empty bottle? So correct is this an empty bottle? Empty. E is the vowel. That's why we use here an. Do you have a camera? Camera. C is consonant. That's why we use here A. Smriti is an intelligent girl. I. Intelligent का first letter क्या है? I. I is vowel. That's why we use an. An owl can see in the dark. O is the vowel. That's why circle an. Vocabulary. Read these sentences. Tony loved to look at the colorful flowers. Tony watched the ants for a long time. The ants were glad to see him too. Complete these sentences with the correct words from the box. Some words are given in the box. You have to write these words in proper place. Ranbir likes to sit on the bench and watch the waves. Second, can you see my pencil anywhere? I cannot find it. क्या तुमने मेरी पेंसिल कहीं देखी है? मैं उसे ढूंढ नहीं पा रहा हूं. Children, turn to page 32 and look at the colorful picture. Its meaning is कि बच्चों पेज 32 ओपन करो और रंग बिरंगे पिक्चर्स को देखो. I can see a blue building from the roof. I can see means मैं देख सकता हूँ. क्या? A blue building from the roof. मैं नीले रंग की बिल्डिंग छत से देख सकता हूँ. Class, please look at the blackboard. Means class कृपया ब्लैकबोर्ड की तरफ देखो. Look means देखना या फिर देखो. So students, read every question 2 times. Try to understand the meaning and write in textbook with pencil.